Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to download or install Facebook app. Now Facebook is a social networking site that makes it easy for you to connect and share with families and friends online. So in order to install a particular application, all you have to do is first check your internet connection and also make sure that your device is compatible with Facebook. After you open up the device, all you have to do is head over to your respective Play Store. So go ahead and open up your Play Store or the App Store, and after that on the search box type in Facebook. So in my case, I already have installed a Facebook application. So if you're new to our Facebook and have not installed yet, then you'll be able to see an install button instead of open. So all you have to do is tap the install button and wait for the application to be installed. As soon as you're done installing the application, you'll need to click the open button. Started with creating your account. So that's basically how you can install or download Facebook app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.